taxi fare it. But one part in the song now, I say, the girl them where walk up and down and go on like them hype. We call them footer hype. Now, footer hype now, hear the song now, as the song come out the song, but I swear say I diss him. Which me never read that, me not diss footer hype. But just I say the girl them where walk up and down and hype them a footer hype.
Every day you go on the internet, you see someone comment, Jamaica is not a real place. And every day I go on the internet, a Jamaican give me a reason to say us Jamaicans are not real people. And these are some of those people. Let's watch and enjoy.
Hold on. I want to make the Rasta man in Russia a rebel salute. What do you people, if you go down a rebel salute, go to comedy with Johnny. I want to go along there.
After it, one man lick up in a me.
One man do what?
Lick up in a me. So me say, big man, why you not look where you go? He must say, why you not go where you look? But when he look up and see me now a Diego, he must say, the eye good brother. And I say, no, the eye not straight. So me hear when the Rasta say, yo, Congo. Come here. Why you batty, man? When the rebel have to come around there and say, no, a Diego, man, I come in there like eye not straight.
The boss have cast eye and it almost put the boss in a trouble. A rebel salute about the eye. You know Rasta man want to say, I and I, Jarastafari, I and I go look for the eye right now, and I, everything is I. Never we. Rasta them selfish. Hey, don't come for me, you know. That was meant for a joke. Jesus. Hey. Like up a video. That's how you contribute to the channel. Respect. Anyways, Diego, whoever you be, that was funny. What I go on there, so no, one car drive off in a lane, like a country community, you know, force somebody who get a car in a community, like that situation right now. Let's watch and see.
What time is it? Hey! Where?
Oi, it car total in less than 15 seconds. How long is that video? Let me see. 26 seconds. Jamaicans, we are not real people. This term where Americans and Canadians use, you can't call a Jamaican that, sir. You will get a lick off. Which term may I talk?
Buddy! Time to clean up, buddy.
What you call me?
Buddy.
You know what is a body? Man, your butt, sir. Don't call me buddy, yeah.
That rasclad, bumperclad, scunt hole.
You're bumperclad, sir, about buddy.
Puss fish.
About buddy means not your body. You're bumperclad, sir.
Check buddy,
Sir,
bumperclad.
you're bumperclad.
Rasclad. One, you
How you call buddy? Brother, go sit down before you get the the piece of ply across the neck back. Yeah, man. Hey, buddy, what's up? No, fam. Don't call me no buddy. Call me bro. Or call me by my last name. And don't call me no N-word either, cause me know your N-word. Nah. This a piece of thing, you know. It's a Jamaican pan a dating show. You have to watch it to the end.
Kids?
I don't have any children.
That's it.
You have kids?
No kids.
Yeah. Okay. Any questions here?
Yeah, and so Mary, they say one of your deal breaker them was kids.
Yes.
When they say kids, what kind of number you talk?
So multiple children, like more than one. How many children do you have?
14, 13 baby mother. Real bad man.
Right, what? Okay.
Joe, my nana youth, my nana picnic right now.
None? Oh, okay.
Zilch.
Okay.
Where from?
I'm from Tallahassee, Florida.
14 youth. 13 baby mother. Real bad man. Hey, Ninja man, use a impact. You need to sing over Alkaline song, Impact. Interview the epic, see? Interview the Reach Alpan dating show to next side. American dating show. Tell me now. What you about saying on a youth? None. She don't even understand a word we must say. I'm gonna get the girl still now. I'm gonna get the girl cause yo, for some reason, women like we they don't understand. Moving forward.
Vegas come link for the studio and say, alright, here we are gonna sing. All of the girls me them on taxi fare. Me say no, and Vegas for boom and sing it, and me just some girl they lay long over like taxi fare it. But one part in the song now, me say the girl them where walk up and down and go on like them hype. We call them footer hype. Now footer hype now. Hear the song now. As the song come out, the song but and swear say I diss him. Which me never read that. Me not diss footer hype. But as I said the girl them walk up and down and hype them a footer hype. Anyway. Boom, we there ready now. I'm stand up ready now. With all the vibes on. This nigga went on the mic. I was like, me just had a bad feeling. From me see him move to the mic, me just have a bad feeling. And I was like, what this nigga got to know? When he about my hold the mic now, then the boy hold the mic now and say, the one Lexus and Vegas sing song and put me name in it. Oh, if I sing song and I went with the girl and I swing pan him tongue. I say swing pan what? Oh, the boy say well like a thing. But there's no say, if me not defend my name right there, so me I go look like a punk.
Me I go look like a punk. Vegas, everybody knows say girl must swing pan your tongue long time. But that was a wicked play upon word in the song there. The girl when you walk up and down and go on like that hype. What you call them girl footer hype. Footer hype, you get it? Cause them a walk and I go on like that hype. Footer hype, take it as a diss. Footer hype chat too much. Let's continue watching.
So me can't make him move from right there so without so me say some just move him and go boom boom man. Lick off him face 2 times and then him toss up on a bag of thing and boom and them go say boom and push me off and push off him now. So I go and look up, I say killer move out of busy. The whole of them line up around and come now. And I mean alright in me I say the whole of them man them around and come. So I go and grab my waist and say, hey, I wanna do. And killer first stop, so and then everybody lick up in him. And lick up in and I saw me get me slide through the crowd now. And I frighten and do it. I'm frightened me from I have a pin for me. So I just grab me and say, hey, I want and killer stop. And it's like a domino effect. All of them go say brr 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 and lick. Because you know the one of them they behind him. Boom and lick up and then one of them. So I go say boom and slide through one thing. So him call me up on the phone now. Right after. Hello. Youth. How are you for lick foot hype in them face in front of me? So I say, hey boy, wait there, come on for there, youth. I hope you can defend it. Says hand. Hey boy, come on for it, please. She was going to start laughing.
Hey, this is about dramatic. You're gone to bed. Only believe the story there. Something happened, but you see when something happened, the person telling the story, they gonna tell it to benefit them, to make them look good, or to make them look like wicked man or bad man. You get me? I say, yeah man. So I don't know if Vegas I tell a truth or Vegas I tell a lie, but that story was entertaining. It's a good storyteller. I'm better than me. Me need to work on my storytelling skills. Anyways, I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, just like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section. Stay safe. God bless.